big. Nah. Man, summer's over, man. I'm overdosing on these niggas now. Huh. Riding in the trenches with my pistol on me. Draco go bananas with this 50 on it. Call up straight 8, he gon' have you missing for me. Since a youngin' bitch, always had a temper problem. I ain't worrying about these bras, I just want the ball. Cop some Louis for them times when I want to floss. Call up Downey for the gas, I just grab some Ross. Call Poppy with the bag and say I want it all. North Philly representative, SPC top champ. You can tell by the swag that we on some other shit. Major bitch wanna smash, I ain't even talk my shit. Last name mines, but they say I'm on that parking shit. Been on that murder shit, straight drop bubble shit. Fucking 9 to 5, I made a killing on Patrona Street. Bullets going flying as you throwing them or catching them. Bitches always lying while you cuffing it, she sucking it. Bob going 8 off them Percocets. Fuck retaliation, finish shit from the start of it. Make me drop 60 on your squad on my Kobe shit. Fatty never lied when he told me never trust a friend. Niggas claim they rhyme, writing statements to the government. Fuck that shit, stayed down till I came out. Shout out to Simon Rick. Jay locked down, somehow still call him his. Booty doing life, but his name still running shit. Fuck the fame, my main goal, had my mama rich as shit. Brand new Benz, double park like we on this bitch. If I don't get a deal by 25, then I'm off this shit. Back to the block, ditching rocks like a Morrison. Mud came home, the first thing he did was get it bad. That nigga like my brother, if I got it, then he getting head. But niggas acting funny, I don't doubt him, I just switch my lane. Never catch me bummy, every day a youngin' poppin' tag. She was acting like she cuffed, heard me rap, wanted bad. Bitch, I'm quoting Rose, you wasn't with me in the gym. Cops asking no rap, Shaka Johnson on the stand. Fuck the summer up, then my squad back to chasing bands. Fuck all these niggas, I'm the best out. Put 30 shots up in the Mac and burn the vest out. It's when it's war time, no talk, I wanna tear it out. Mama told me never fear a thing but the higher power. Niggas always claim they on some shit, but they never ride. Riding too deep in the Johnny, 40 ride shotty. Rappers always screaming that they poppin' and they catching bodies. They ain't really poppin', bitch. I'm the one that get it poppin'. I'm from the hood where they'll kill you, nigga, hug your mama. When them young niggas out there really catching bodies. My little nigga 17, but he'll stretch a Viking. Poppin' perks and sippin' lean, way too hot for fighting. Can't be a sheep in the hood that's filled with lions. Better keep your gat close if you're really shining. Cause when they sturdy start to bangin', niggas feel the iron. I told Nell that I got us, put it on my mama. Flex.
All my niggas burn me thirsty, ready to be dropped.
Yeah, that's
all my niggas up like them dolls on that Lambo. My gun don't jam, shoot this bitch like I'm Rambo. Getting all this money, got it stashed in the bender. My squad on fire, melt that nigga like a candle.
Killing all these beats, now they saying I'm up next. We ain't beefing with you haters, I just made a quick stack. Bad bitch, half foreign, she just tryna suck dick. Let me call my squad through, we break it down like a brick. Sweeties, jewels, and these diamonds make them bitches wanna fish. And the way I'm switching whips, got them thinking that I'm rich. I'm just a gangin' from the hood that got goals on flipping bricks. Call Poppy from the island, tell him gotta make a trip. Rock designer with no problem, got them feeding off the drip. Strap with hollows and them choppers, spinners block you getting flipped. Call up Downey for the sour, ain't copping less than a zip. They say I'm cocky, yeah I'm rotten, I'm just tryna make it big. Niggas dissing, yeah I get it, yeah just tryna be like Ace. Cut the ties, keep it moving when they win against the grain. I want the money and the power, ain't got no use for the fate. Screaming free my nigga booty till they let him out the bank. North side, dark side, that's the home of the chain. Ain't no snitching in my hood, if you do you get hang. Young nigga from the gutter, I'ma make it with my team. If you ain't reppin' SPC, then we take you out the frame. Turn it to the man, made my own way.
What else?
Back in high school, I played the hallways. Fuck the baddest bitches, life wasn't a whole waste. Got the coolest killers, turn you to a cold case. They say I'm cocky cause I'm poppin', what's the problem, nigga? If you ain't talking Benjamins, change the topic, nigga. Living life like Escobar, with my poppy niggas. Mommy like me, wanna top me, do it sloppy, baby. Selling harm, just waiting for the rock to sign me. Watch me do it from the muscle without a cosigner. Half these rappers ain't built, they want no violence. She say she love me, told her stop it, girl, you're so childish. Money be the root of all evil. See my close homies, think it's brother for a bean cell. You don't hustle, you don't eat, I know that quote very well. My life too real, I can't relate to these fairy tales. Screaming I'm the GOAT like I'm Barry Bonds. Niggas all jokes, we just pay no mind. I'm the GOAT like I'm Barry Bonds. All these niggas really jokes, we don't pay no mind. Oh my gosh, I'ma get us out this motherfucker. Ducking fake friends, yeah, we call them bloodsuckers. Shorty love me, hold me down, she a thug lover. She know a young and graduated to them plug numbers. We ain't stopping till we live in the finest. Everything from head to toe, draped down in designer. See my brother get smoked, that really changed my mindset. Told my mother that I got her, baby shining the brightest. Nightmares about them dollars, feeling dusty with thousands. Know I'm destined for them billions, and I swear I got talent. That's gonna take me farther. Baby Gina, and she called me Martin. I break her off, but there's nothing offered. She want love, so I brung it to her. With all these drugs and all these shows I'm booking, it's first class when we hop on Delta. I told Vic, bring me back them vocals. Bring it back. Fat ass, shorty know I'm next up. Swerving lanes on 95 in a black truck. Fuck a dumb, she a dub with her own judge. She something chopping like a model, ain't no tummy tuck. She know I got her, she ain't switching up. If I'm the next Biggie, she can be the next Evans. She know I'm round with my dogs, talking Mike Vick. We fucked the club up, cause now we got a price with it. Bad bitch alert when she walk up in the club. Ain't no question that I got her rolling with some thugs. We get it poppin' with no problem, yeah, we tear it up. I tell John, grab them bottles, yeah, we tore it up. I said, fuck a 4 pound, I cut you down with this chopper. Black Tommy gunning with the drum like a mobster. Killing every beat, eat 'em up, I'm a monster. These niggas still hating cause the youngin' still bombing. But back to the object, my block is still popping. Coke still moving, got the fiends doing a hot step. Remember all them nights I dodged them bullets by my mom step. Them niggas was my homies, but the money changed their mindset. The game of life, it's only right that I make it out. Through all this struggle and the pain, the youngin' still on that paper route. I got it locked like Jamaican locks. Don't post our 40s on the gram, I ain't really tryna share a box. Phone poppin', barely play the block. OGs turn to cold fleas, I know it sounded crazy, huh? My shooters ain't talking, I send them, then you checkin' no. But such a make it rain, name a nigga really hot.
The type that be talking just to talk that shit.
Fuck we do. Made a couple thousand before a dub. This on big luck. My niggas staying clipped up, no lacking overhead. Never missed a Gucci with the Prada. Babe shit, that's not designer. That's some shit that we really used to trap in. Mr. Miyagi with these ladders, call them chopsticks. She caught a glimpse of the Rolex that made us spot wet. Mr. Clean and the soft white from Milano. Can't wait till I hit that clear port to take a flight though. My mama not the Virgin Islands, I ain't even signed a deal. Youngin' from the jungle, swear them bundles get my pockets filled. Rumble nigga, rumble where I'm from, my gang is poppin' slow. Ain't talking being hove when I see the rock, I sponsor still. Addicted to that blue face, chefing up the souffle. Feelin' like a hood legend, treat me like I'm Luke Cage. Rappers ain't fucking with me, bringing back this old way. My last couple wars, I left them niggas with some toe tags. I told her not to hold back, take it like you on that. Got a deep throat and then she thinking where a throat at. Tryna be honest, you would never get your hoe back. Once she get a chaser, ain't no reason for her to go back. John told me get him and I got him. Ain't no problem, X about me in my section, they gon' say I been wildin'. When them nerds came blissing, like Shaka do the talking. I'm a youngin' from the jungle, under pressure, I'm a parky. Give y'all a little bit of my life. I promise mama I'ma get us out this hellhole. Kinda dishonest when she asked me if I sold coke. Ain't do it for designer, wanted her to smile more. Lot of issues dealing with my father, them promises broke. Road to the riches, feeling my time is soon. I got my sister's little bro, gon' have him a good. Applying pressure in these streets, I'm busting my gun. My nigga Juvie got them numbers, I feel for his son. Was told loyalty, bring forth royalty. Had a lot of fake friends come and try to ruin me. Busy chasing green, ain't got time for no stupid shit. Ready for this fame, but I swear I'm not pursuing it. I'm in it for my team, I'm tryna run them numbers up. Vic got a seed and I won, see I'm rich as fuck. Tired of chasing fiends, so I went and picked this rapping up. Love mixed with Greek and have a young nigga fucking up. Every day I step by my door, feel like it's war. These young niggas sucking they tools to go to school. My big homies told me I'm raw, just give them more. They seen their talent in the struggle from the hood, I gave them hope. I served fiends, ball dreams and couldn't ball. I told flames, went to war for bricks of raw. My old ways, I ain't doing this shit no more. Just to shine in the light, I had to make it through the storm. I rumbled in the jungle when them lions steady hunting. I made it out this bitch because I came with more hunger. That pistol on my hip, I heard my homies started plotting, trying to take me off my journey when we could've shined together. I'm getting heavy and this nigga lighter than a feather. I feel his pain, but them snake ways ain't make it better. He worse than a rat and I ain't breaking up no cheddar. I can feel it in the air, can let him do me like I'm Nipsey. Hustle nigga, V12 sound like the muffin missing. Took a step back and realized niggas ain't fucking nuts. Kick it down the door at the devils, hope he never answer. Then he took them slugs to the chest, I'm getting reckless with it. Remember I was corny with them raps, I'm getting better with it. Mama need that crib out the burbs, I'ma bless her with it. Ain't for the streets, play the curb, I ain't judging nigga. Black XRT looking clean, but it's bloody in it. Tryna make a couple dough. All my niggas out to get it, let's get it. Getting money, pray I never fall. Told my niggas that we going far. If the feds blitz, pray they never talk. What the fuck you think we pay these lawyers for? Shorty told me that she let us all dripped in all white, now she feel the frost. I ain't even get my dick involved. For my ghost and I ain't even gone. Getting picky with my side bitches, need a live thicky that'll draw. Bully when they cop the 9 milli for them ops peeking here draw. John said I'm getting hot with it, got the crowd litty in the bug. I ain't even get my deal, but my label coming up. Told my mama I'm a paper chaser. Shook her head and said that's in our blood. Count your money, never count them favors. Wise words, got it from the plug. Young nigga feeling like the greatest. Young Ollie just without the gloves. Call up Poppy, I just need a shipment. Flood the hood like I'm Nicky Barnes. I ain't stopping till my niggas on. I ain't copping unless it's white as dove. Grab it soft cause I know the chef. Whipping shit like it's Biddy Hunters. Headshots really leave a mess. Fucking vest, I'm aiming for your mother. Call them labels, say I'm up next. Ace Boogie coming for them trophies. From the trenches. Ballin' hard, ain't no bitches. Tryna live a life, damn. Fucking good for the night. Ballin' hard for like Mike. Louis belt fitting tight. Do say take it to the head. Got them gold packs for the night. Saw her man almost went left, so I had to clean him with the right. Back then they wouldn't touch me. Now a youngin' getting doggy. Red bottles getting bloody. A dead nigga try to test me. Keep them shooters in the back of me. I'm like Scottie Pippen with this 30. Little shorty on the pole, twerking to my songs. They don't feel lucky. Told Bully that we young, we ain't got a deal, but we gon' fuck. Say she coming with her friends, they just tryna fuck, they just tryna ball. Getting freaky while we creepin', she don't never drop it, she just take it off. Only fucking for the weekend, told her keep a secret, bitch, you know it all.
For the weekend, I'm down a whole.
I wouldn't have told what my hitters, I came with my pistol, could never be slipping. Got used to not trusting these bitches, I hit them and quit them, not giving no feelings. That Thule got kicked like it's aged, I'm smoking there, I'm spinning blades. Put it like bread, not high, be posted with Quaddy, he told me these pussies been blind. They told me I'm next to be on, until that I'm stuck in the hood. I'm stuck on the block, keep running the top in the field, I'd rather get life than get killed. Put that on lock, got used to not seeing who real, my trust is a thing in my serve. I swear that's my word, I stood on that block on the first, don't worry about sleep to the third. That mom used to say she shame, you're smart but you're doing the things. Sorry mama, I told her I'm working on change, that money gon' ease the pain. I promise mama, my brother got hit, it's a shame for running around with them lanes. I'm strapped with this 30, I'm feeling like Curry, got nice with the aim, got nice with the shots. Got nice with the shot. Tell all these niggas to line that shit up. Got nice with the shot. Cause if I'm coming, my brother coming with me, nigga. Got nice with the shot. Boogie.
I said it's fucking payday, motherfucker.
Bully. Yeah, you know how we move. Stepping in these bloodies, this glizzy a loaded weapon. I'm coming from where they died, no choice but to push a pistol. Got addicted to homicides, feel like Gotti with all these hitters. Been putting in overtime, I'm trying to get to $1 million for the family. She down to eat the dick, but she would never meet my family. Stacked up all my cake, you know I got it from the candy. Block door numbers, court the coppers with the cameras. My youngest getting reckless, they just trying to give out damage. Never been a sucker, the trenches made me a gunner. My brother died on the scene, so I ain't stopping and I ain't running. Got relations with all my fiends, I promise my aunties love me. Addicted to counting green, ain't nothing better than honeys. Floor work, get your money, stacking before I'm stunting. Hit me up if you're hungry, ain't got no problem with bundles. Lil' Boogie a problem, that's all I hear from them suckers. Ain't worrying about oppositions, I promise my youngest gunners. Caught you talking that reckless, only ducking detectives. Paper chasing the model, I'm trying to get work from Hefe. Smoke you like get some hydro, I guess I see you in heaven. Ain't worrying about who riding this ladder, sending my message. She gon' shut me off cause a nigga lame. She don't even know my name, but she know the gang. It's SBC, we in our city taking over lanes. And everybody on my team really getting green. Fact, I'm a baller, she gon' be my mascot. Fact, all I did was show her, then she showed her ass off. Bitch, bring her friend just in case I made a tap out. Blow her back out, fuck around and pull them tracks out. Whoa, since I dropped my tape, I've been feeling like a boss. Fact, told her fuck my homie, we might take it to the mall. Swerving through the lanes, I ain't worrying about the law. Black SRT, push the pedal to the floor. Remember I was dirty, shout out Fatty, put me on. Ain't never know my name, I see a word and turn her on. Charge it to the game, I know it hurt you when I ball. My brother got a hammer that'll nail you to a cross. Ain't worrying about them stairs, nigga, lame nigga. Hotter than a devil, make a move, I put the flame to you. Said I'm getting cocky, more hit than mean the game winner. Better with my shot, 30 practice got my aim better. I ain't gonna stop, I know I'm headed to the top. I'm tryna be the youngest rich nigga coming from my block. Got a pills, need a mill with 100 in the front. We ain't talking to the law, get the renting for his gun,
700 in the air, all this money in the air.
One thing about them stoppers, definitely get busy. What we do? 30 shot glizzy, definitely ain't missing. None at all. I tell Bully grit the mat, he gon' leave you niggas injured. If I ever get a deal, getting Donnie G a business. Never leaving my guys, I come from no why. Ain't no about money, don't hit up my line. Try and get a crib with a forest behind. Got nicer with bars, I'm dead in my prime. Slide to a party, I'm coming with slime. She's colder than ever, I'm strapped with this line. For bitches like Nunu, that's class classy and fly. Still give her dome like the hit of a time. She learning. With the foreign like it's nothing. Strictly about paper, I mean it, I want it. Don't play about my family, they need me, I'm coming. Gorillas behind me, don't play about they youngin'. Yeah, I got money, these bitches start lurking. Fuck on your bitch and I know that you hurtin'. She down for the kids, she know that it's worth it. Get higher than Mars, I feel like I'm floating. Used to have dreams of driving a Jag. Keep a SK for the boys in the match, but I pray that I miss so your toe get a tag. Another day, man, I'm feeling the vibe. Think when the bitch and I'm throwing a lob. I roll with my guys and switching no sides. So fatty we winning, he said it's our time. I'm good. Don't compare me to lames, I'm realer. I hear how you talking, you better than prove. This blick of the sit, that's the size of a ruler. I'm trying to match curve when I'm doing this 30. Back in the day, I was dusty and dirty. Now that I'm winning, these bitches are chewing. She riding the dick like we making a movie. She screaming, she love me, I tell her she fooling. I'm grooving, I'm doing my dance with the goofies. And the thing that I fear with a losing. Just ran up a band up for music. No facts, that's cap. Shut up, boo, he tucking the mag. Lost your mind if you think we lag. Raw cones will be smoking the pack. That's no facts. Damn, 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 let's get it. Where I'm from is what I'm trying to forget. I love the hood, but on the same, I know they can't say the same. Was busting tracks before this rap. I was trying to make ends. You wasn't there when I was losing. How you here when I went? And Bully told me do my thing, not to worry about friends. Cause niggas funnier than clowns, they get back with a grin. I heard the laugh would die down when I started to win. You couldn't last 5 rounds if you was stuck in my kicks. Start missing lucky moms, starting to think it's tough luck. I know it's crazy what your folks do for greed, huh? I should've knew you wasn't here to see me win, buck. But keep that same vibe when I'm in that bent truck, laying low, tense up. Think about them times when I couldn't pick my sis up. Now a gang get poppin', baby bro, to turn a big dog. Goofy in them trenches, I can really get you picked off. Was knocking all holes by the time like I'm big say you love me, but we'll never prove it. We really turned it up. I used to dream about this life and now I got it. See my cousin dead, that's a reason I ain't stopping. I need 100 mil, I got family that's behind me. I need my mother good before she see me in that coffin. I gotta keep it on me, niggas plotting and they watching. Told my brothers that I got them, when I make it then they coming. We really from the trenches, most my niggas doing numbers. Gotta do 100 summers before they put dent in them numbers. Free booty, smoking on the finest while I'm chasing bands. I swear this Glock switch your block like Jamaican heads. I got a problem, we ain't squashing till we make it square. Keep 30-30 right beside me, he gon' make it fair. I need a deal, I got a pills, plus niggas fighting the wheels. In the jungle where it's real, heard niggas plotting to kill. I told Bully keep on waiting, we getting close to the mills. When I sign that dotted line, we taking blocks to the hills.
When times get hard,
they calling me a fly guy. I ain't gon' lie, I went and get that bitch a high five. If she ain't fucking, then we tell that bitch bye-bye. Coming for it all, well connected like some Wi-Fi. Loving what she on, she tell her best friend to slide by. Having flashbacks in that pussy like a montage. Told me I'm the one, I know she capping for the 9th time. Only want my fun, I'm respecting all your whole vibes, huh? No love.
I ain't got no time
Let's run it.
basic ass.
Till I get that rollie, guess I settle for that Apple Watch. Shorty ate the dick up, now I got that ass on match and lock. Performing at them shows, I'm in the crowd looking for a op. Let her go and poking, I feel better, we ain't got no stop. Thinking back in 09, was always down to run the block. Them bitches wanna roll now, they see I'm almost at the top. Don't care if you get parked, fam, never body in the slot. Young ain't got no sense, just always wanna bust his lock. John getting busy, tell him spin you like a frisbee. Like a bully shit like Mac. I know Brody rockin' with me, never going back, bro. I got used to stacks of 50, need a birdie for a verse, man, speak that shit into existence. Go. They say the game done changed since them days with the S curl. I fuck that paper up and shorty say I'm the best still. A North nigga, not only do I rap, I clap still. Disrespect me anytime in that Mac spill. I made my grade off them rocks that chop like croutons. Block door numbers, we jump through O's like it's double Dutch. OG like a chef with this shit, he make it double up. Drop the yolk right in the pot, then watch it bubble up. Shorty gon' fuck me for my name and God spend a buck. In a Jeep now, but still got dreams by the Bentley truck. Never understand how niggas switch before we make it out. Getting love, make out the hood, that's what it's all about.